षष्ठः पाठः भ्रान्तो बालः. In yesterday's part we learned that when Sparrow also refused to come to play with him, a boy got upset and he felt that these birds are not approachable to human being, so it is not useful to talk to them. So he wanted to search somebody else to play with him. तदा खिन्नो बालकः एते पक्षिणो मानुषेषु नोपगच्छन्ति. तदा खिन्नः बालकः एते पक्षिणः मानुषेषु न उपगच्छन्ति. That time the boy thought that he felt very sad and started to think that these birds are not approachable to human being, so it is useless to invite them for playing. A boy, being very sad, thought that these birds are not approachable to human being. Khinno, sad, balakaha, boy, pakshinaha, birds, manusheshu, on human being. Tad anveshayami aparam manushochitam vinodayitaram iti vichintya palayamanam kamapi श्वानम अवलोकयत्. तद अन्वेषयामि अपरम मानुष उचितं विनोदयितारम इति विचिन्त्य पलायमानं कमपि श्वानम अवलोकयत्. So boy thought that tad अन्वेषयामि अपरम मानुषोचितं विनोदयितारम. So let me search some animal which are very close to human being. Iti vichintya, having thought like this, he searched here and there, and palayamanam kamapi shwanam avalokayat. He saw one dog which is running over there, here and there. So I searched another animal who can be friend of human being and saw a dog which was roaming around. Anveshayami, I search. Aparam, another. Manushochitam, proper to human being. Vinodayitaram, the amusive. Palayamanam, running. Kamapi, some. Shwanam, dog. Avalokayat, saw. Preeto balaha tam ittam samabodhayat. रे मानुषाणां मित्र. प्रीतः बालः तम इत्थं समबोधयत्. रे मानुषाणां मित्र. So seeing the dog, the boy felt very happy and he called the dog that Re Manushanam Mitra, oh friend of human being. A boy being very pleased said, O friend of human being. Preetaha, pleased. Balaha, boy. Samabodhayat, advised. Manushanam mitra, O friend of human being. Kim paryatasi asmin nidhaga divase. Idam prachaya sheetalam tarumulam ashrayasva. Ahamapi krida sahayam tvameva anurupam pashyamiti. Kim पर्यटसि अस्मिन् निदाघ दिवसे इदं प्रच्छाय शीतलं तरुमूलम् आश्रयस्व अहम् अपि क्रीडासहायं त्वाम् एव अनुरूपं पश्यामि इति. So he said to dog that, O dog, why are you roaming in these summer days? It is very hot out there. Idam prachaya sheetalam tarumulam ashrayasva. Please come and sit under this cool shade of tree. Tarumulam means root base of the tree, under the tree. Prachaya sheetalam means very cold. Ahamapi krida sahayam tvameva anurupam pashyami. I also think that you only the right one to play with me. Krida sahayam, to help me in playing. You are the right one. Therefore, please come here and sit under the shade of the tree. Why are you roaming in these summer days? Please come under the cool shade of this tree. I also prefer you only for playing. Pariyatasi, roaming, asmin, in this, Nidhaga Divase, summer days, Prachaya Sheetalam, very cool, Tarumulam, under the tree, Ashrayasva, take rest, Krida Sahayam, helpful for playing. Kukuraha Pratyavadat, Yomam Putrapreetya Poshayati, Swamino Gruhe Tasya, Raksha Niyoga Karananna, Maya Brashtavyam Ishadapi iti. Kukuraha Prati Avadat Yaha Mam Putrapreetya Poshayati Swaminaha Grihe Tasya Raksha Niyoga Karanat Na Maya Brashtavyam Ishat Api iti. So, when the boy invited the dog for playing, the dog replied that Yahamam putra preetya poshayati. Mama Swami, my owner, is protecting me like a son. He is take care of me like his son. So, tasya raksha niyoga karanad na maya brashtavyam ishadapi. As he takes care of me like his son, I must protect his house. I should not be failed in guarding his house. So I don't have time to play with you. I am very busy in guarding the house of my owner. Dog replied, my owner is protecting me like his own son. So I should not be failed in the work of guarding his house. Kukuraha, dog, Pratyavadat replied, Putra Preetya, with the affection of son, Poshayati, takes care, Swaminaha, of owner, Grihe, at home, Raksha Niyoga Karanadna, not from the protection, Brashtavyam, should be distracted. So like this, no one ready to play with that boy, and boy gets disappointed once again. So let us continue with the next and final part tomorrow. Learn this lesson part with meanings and translation very well.